Hey guys, David Chamberlain here with Driven Racing Oil here at SEMA 2021, and I'm going to be talking to you about the new GP1 products that we're offering. Yeah, so we introduced the GP1 Pennsylvania grade performance oils 2 years ago, and they've continued to grow in popularity. And to meet customers' requests and demands, they've asked for some different viscosity grades and then also a new gear oil. So the cool thing about the GP1 product line is it's kind of a multi-purpose performance oil. It can be used in a street performance car, a muscle car, hot rod, or it could be used in a circle track application like a dirt modified or something like that. Or especially what we've come to find out is they're really well-purposed oil for drag racing applications because they do provide some corrosion protection, which is super important when it comes to some of the fuels in drag racing, especially methanol. So the new products that we have this year that we brought out, like I said, we came out first with a break-in 30, which was a straight 30 conventional break-in oil. And there was a desire for a thicker viscosity, so we came out with the 2050 viscosity with the Pennsylvania grade base oil, which just provides just natural, has a natural lubricating ability, provides great anti-wear on top of the added ZDDP additive that's in it. And then we've also come out with an 85-140 gear oil, which is perfect because a lot of thicker gear oils rely on polymers, which is a viscosity modifier to achieve that thicker viscosity, that 140 grade, if you will. But we've done that with the Pennsylvania base oil, which keeps it shear stable, so it's not going to shear down. It's going to maintain its viscosity. It's going to provide good extreme pressure EP protection in the gear set. It will work for hypoid differentials and many other performance and racing applications. We've also come out with a couple mono grades, so we've got a straight 40 and a straight 50. We've also introduced the Pennsylvania base oil into our HVL product. This is a legacy product for Driven, but we added the Pennsylvania base oil, which just provides a little bit more cling, stays on the parts during assembly. So this is an assembly oil. So this is kind of a new and improved version of that HVL. So if you got any more questions, give us a call at 866-611-1820 or visit our website, drivenracingoil.com.